Hello again. Today we are doing another taste test review. This one is Dot's Homestyle Pretzels. These are out of North Dakota, so they're made in this country, so you know they're good out of this country. These are honey wheat pretzels, and the flavor is honey mustard. Let's open these up. Try them out. Now, like your normal pretzels, these are pretzel sticks. See how these are, see if they really taste of honey mustard. You can definitely taste the honey mustard. These are good pretzels. The only problem I see with these is you won't want to put them down. You'll eat a lot of them. It's 130 calories per serving, and it has a total fat of 5 grams. This is something definitely worth trying. Again, these are Dot's Homestyle Pretzels. We hope you enjoy these taste test reviews. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We would appreciate it. Thank you for watching.